Hello everyone, in this video we will be going over how to add and remove worksheets using C# in the Excel Interop library. Additionally, we will be covering how to rename a worksheet and how to change the order of multiple worksheets. This project currently will open an empty workbook. We have already assigned a reference to an existing worksheet. We have assigned this reference by passing the name of the worksheet to the worksheets collection. Alternatively, you can pass in the position of the worksheet if you know it ahead of time, with 1 being the first worksheet in the workbook. Let's go ahead and add a new worksheet by typing worksheet test worksheet equals workbook.worksheets.add. Let's go ahead and run our code. We can see that we now have a second worksheet called Sheet 2. However, more than likely, we will want to give any worksheet we add a better name, so let's go back to our code. We can change the name of a worksheet by typing test worksheet.name equals test worksheet. Let's run our code. Our new worksheet's name has now been changed to test worksheet. This new worksheet was also added to the beginning of our list of worksheets here. In most cases, we will probably want to add it to the end of our list, just as you would manually. Let's go back to our code. We can change the order of our worksheets by typing test worksheet.move. Before continuing, let's take a look at the parameters this function is requesting. It is asking for 2 parameters, object before and object after. In our case, we want to move this worksheet after our first worksheet. We can do this by typing after : worksheet. This syntax is saying that we only want to pass a value for the second parameter, which in this case is the object after. This works because we don't have to pass an input for every parameter since they are null by default, and this particular syntax is also pretty easy to read. Let's test our code. Our test worksheet has been moved to the end of our worksheet list, which means our code works successfully. Now in this example, we passed in which worksheet we wanted this new worksheet to be moved after. This works well if we already know which worksheet we want to move our new worksheet after. However, there may be situations in which we may not know how many worksheets we have and just want to move it to the end. In situations like these, we can accomplish this by specifying the index we want to move the worksheet to, and the easiest way to do this is to pass in the total count of our worksheets. We can get the total count by typing int total sheets equals workbook.sheets.count. Let's copy the statement above, but instead of passing in a reference to our worksheet, we will type workbook.worksheets total sheets. Let's test our code. Like before, it moved our new worksheet to the very end. Let's say for whatever reason we want to delete our new worksheet. We can do this by typing test worksheet.delete. Let's run our code one more time to make sure it works. As expected, our new worksheet has been deleted from this workbook. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful and want to see more tutorials like these, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, if there are any topics I haven't covered, feel free to suggest them in the comments, and I may make a video about them in the future. Thanks for watching.